Adafruit has this week announced the availability of their new Metro M4 development board featuring the Microchip ATSAMD51, which is now priced at $27.50. Only 100 boards were initially made. Adafruit team is currently in the process of creating more to fill demand as quickly as possible. Features of the new Metro M4 development board include 25 GPIO pins, 8 of which are analog in, and 2 of which is a true analog out, together with a hardware SPI port, hardware I2C port and hardware UART. Logic level is 3.3V. Also, there is no need for a hardware USB to serial converter, as the Metro M4 has built-in USB support. Specifications for the Metro M4 development board include Cortex M4 core running at 120 MHz, hardware DSP and floating point support, 512 KB flash, 192 KB RAM, 32-bit, 3.3V logic and power, Dual 1 MSPS DAC, A0 and A1, Dual 1 MSPS ADC, 8 analog pins, 6x hardware SERCOM, I2C, SPI or UART, 16x PWM outputs, stereo I2S input/output with MCK pin, 10-bit parallel capture controller, for camera/video in, built-in crypto engines with ease, 256-bit, true RNG, Pubkey controller, 64QFN.